Mike Innovative Door. Back here on this job. This is a repair I did a long time ago of a Wayne Dalton door, and it's still standing today. Probably did this repair over 10 years ago. Springs just broke. 192 wires, but look at that repair. Still standing strong. You could see the bracket they used to have, and we got rid of that and just used this a lot better. So that's where you properly fix the Wayne Dalton door. Like I said, here's two fingers lift. These doors are so lightweight anyways, you don't really need a lot of pump to lift them up, they just float right up. We'll show you the door. Go ahead, thank you. Pinch resistant too, and glass panel. For all your door needs, Innovative Door, 632-719-343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. 650 Ogden showroom. Storefront hours, 8 to 4, Monday through Friday, 9 to 12, Saturdays. Thank you. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Wayne Dalton repaired video.